Hi, I'm Jenny Kanoki, and this is my Module 1 for AEP 859. A little about me: I graduated from K-State in December of 2014, and I was also a cheerleader there for 3 years. I am now married to my best friend, Stephen Kanoki, and we live outside of Abbeville, Kansas, where he is a third-generation farmer and trucker. That is our 2 dogs in the picture with us, Roxy on the left and Boone on the right, and they have very fun personalities. And this summer we announced to our friends and family that we are expecting our first child in February. So we are very excited for what is to come in the next few months. For my professional life, I teach first grade at Fairfield. This is my 4th year teaching first grade. My first year I taught second grade. I am also the head high school volleyball and cheer coach, so I'm extremely busy, especially right now in the school year. This is my very busy time. I attend a lot of ball games throughout the school year. I serve on our building leadership team, and I am also the head chairperson of our wellness committee. And Fairfield is truly a family. We really look out for each other. The picture on the right, we cover 435 square miles, and so we don't have a town around us. Fairfield is 6 small communities that go together to comprise Fairfield. The school itself is literally out in the country, and so we really have to take care of ourselves and look after each other, and it's a family there. My short-term and long-term goals: I want to become more dynamic with my lesson plans in the classroom. I want to continue to coach and volunteer. I am very present at Fairfield events, and that's something that I really pride myself in, and that's something that I want to continue to strive to be. I want to become the athletic director. And then down the road a little bit, when I get more knowledge and experience, and I want to age a little bit so that I have, that experience, becoming a mom and stuff like that. It's going to help shape me in my professional life when it comes to talking to parents and students. And so down the road, after I feel like I have gained more knowledge and experience, I would like to be the high school principal. What I hope to learn in AEP 859: I would like to know what to consider when selecting a curriculum, the things to look for, the things to weigh. I want to know how to select a curriculum that will be valuable for the students that day, and then how it can also be used, for maybe like the next 5 years or so. And then I want to know how to prepare students and teachers, how to inspire them and prepare them for the new curriculum, and how to just make sure that it goes over successfully. So I am looking forward to learning from my classmates and my professor. Thank you.